We're gonna load the camper up. Load the camper up. Load the camper up. I brought many long pants because I heard the mosquitoes there are horrible. Mosquitoes are my enemy. Especially now, they can transmit disease, which is even more horrible. We will try to stay away from mosquitoes the best we can. Oh, we're got the bikes and tools and stuff, and it's all hooked up. Here's the camper ready to be pulled out of the driveway. Then we have this car with the boat all hooked up too.
This is one of the fields they launch rockets in. This is the visitor center. Wait.
Got it.
Yeah, this is the visitor center. That'd be a breakfast.
Molly's, that's where there's breakfast.
Yeah.
It's Wet and Wild weekend this weekend.
No.
Sandy Pony Donuts, is that the one you were talking about?
Oh my god, they.
Alley Jack's Water Park.
Chinkatig! Hi friends! I'm already home editing this video. If you liked the video, make sure you subscribe. So during the ride, we just went on and on talking about all the advertisement about all these good restaurants.
We are 2.2 miles from the campground. So this little island has some houses on the roads.
Yeah.
You have to take a right on this bridge, take you onto it. It's a little teeny island with those houses.
And then you go
So you gotta make a right here. I've never been on it.
Alright, we're getting closer and closer now.
Basically, Chincoteague's a little island here, and then Assateague is an island on the other side of it. So Chincoteague is not on the ocean.
I hate this bridge.
Assateague's on the ocean.
I hate
Chincoteague's
this
inside. So Assateague's a barrier island that protects Chincoteague.
Okay. Right. Mosquitoes here.
It's on the other side. Smash. Give me your GoPro.
Oh, I see.
Right there.
That would be crazy if I used this phone.
It's on your